Now, it's very important. I got to point something out. There's a lot of people on Twitter trying to sell courses. Just want to let you know. I posted this a couple days ago. Just so you know, I don't do any courses. I don't host events anymore. Used to travel around the country and talk about real estate and do short sales. I'm not going to do that anymore. I don't do any consulting. Had that t-shirt as well. All I'm doing right now is looking at deals here in South Florida that I can either acquire, and then I'll do some wholesaling, but mostly look at stuff that we can either renovate or preferably tear down and rebuild. That's what we're focusing on, because the market down here is, as I've said many times on Twitter, it is smoking hot. I mean, just crazy hot. And then, of course, the people will ask, hey, Barry, how hot is it? Well, it's so hot that even though you're going to find out later, people say that, we're going through the Rona and everything else down here, people just can't help but be here. They just can't help but come down to South Florida. And because of that, things are absolutely nuts. So the first thing I want to bring your attention to is a story that I saw the other day. And I mentioned this on Twitter when I saw this guy had said it. This guy's name is Jarrett Turkle. And Jarrett writes a tweet here that says, the amount of capital looking to invest in South Florida is amazing. We had 20 offers on a $110 million deal last week. This represents $2.2 billion of capital looking at a single real estate deal in Miami. And all I said to him is, he's spot on. He's absolutely spot on. You see, the thing that's going on down here that we're seeing is money is fluid. There's a lot of money coming into South Florida. Why is there a lot of money coming into South Florida? Because they're making money. In fact, I'm going to talk about on Wednesday how this is now becoming the Wall Street of the South. All, and I do mean all, of the major investment firms, the big hedge funds, are leaving New York City, or at least opening an office here in South Florida. Down in Brickell Avenue in Miami, downtown Miami, it's just crazy how many hedge funds, investment bankers, and people of that nature are moving their operations south to take advantage of A, obviously the lifestyle down here, and B, which is probably more important, we're open. We're open. We're not wearing masks. We're not running around afraid of the COVID. We are open. And probably the biggest reason for the escape, no state income taxes. So you couple all those things together, and you've got people coming from New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, as far west as California, and are relocating here to South Florida. And it's causing all the property, everything from, I'd say, Fort Pierce all the way down to Miami, to skyrocket. We're seeing deals where we put a contract in on a property, maybe $500,000, $600,000, $700,000, and before we even close, people are offering us a ton of money to step in and take the deal. Never mind the ones that are getting torn down. We're seeing houses get torn down for $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 acquisition price. They're being torn down, and in their place are being built $2, $3, even $4 million properties. These houses are gorgeous. They're absolutely stunning in their design. And the people, because of the mortgage interest rates are so low, they're taking advantage of it. So, of course, that's what we want to be involved in. I don't want to be talking on Twitter about how to make money. We all know how to make money. At least that's what I think. I think most of us who are in real estate investment, who are actually doing it, we already know how to make the money. We just have to get more of it. What I mean by that is, the more capital you have available to you, the more deals you can do. The more deals you can do, obviously, the more money you can make. So what we're looking for are investors that want to come down here to South Florida, put some money in some deals, and see an amazing return, both on a house or condo, or even a short-term or long-term rental. Right now, it's starting the season. And what I mean by season, in case you guys don't understand that, is every year from November till about April, everybody from up north normally would be coming down anyway. But what we're seeing now is these short-term rentals are going for $5, $6, $15, $50,000 a month for people who are coming down and escaping the areas up north. I'm making this stuff up. I'm going to show you as we go through these different shows what kind of dollars are being spent for housing down here. I used to be involved strongly in the foreclosure market. But foreclosure market down here is a lot different than other areas. You have people who maybe didn't pay their rent, pay their mortgage for 18 months, 14 months, and still built equity. It's going to be hard doing some short sales when, hey, listen, I have a $400,000 house. I didn't pay my mortgage for 12 months, but guess what? My house is now worth $600,000. Good luck. Good luck getting a short sale. That ain't going to happen.
Your source for profit. Hear what you need to know to succeed in today's real estate market.